Good morning all of you, and for today's breakfast I will be making a quick crispy dosa, and here are the ingredients. I have taken 1.5 cup of dosa rice and half teaspoon of methi, half cup of urad dal soaked for 7 to 8 hours, and half cup of chana dal again soaked for 7 to 8 hours. And once that is done, I will now put it in the mixie jar. Now I will close the lid and set it for the mixie to do its job. The batter is now prepared, and you will see the right consistency has come. So it is neither too very thick or too very thin. And now I am pouring it into the bowl. Left the batter to ferment it for 7 to 8 hours. The batter now being ready, I am putting the gas on, placing the dosha tawa on the gas and leaving it for some time to get heated. Then I will sizzle the tawa with some water, leave it for some time, brush it with some cooking oil, and then wipe it with some tissue paper and get the tawa prepared now for making of the dosha. Once the batter is ready and has got the right consistency, I am now going to pour it in the tawa. So the tawa is heated and I am putting the batter down. And as soon as I put it, I start making round and round. So 4 to 5, 6 rounds are enough. Leaving it to get it heated. Once the dosha is heated, I am now pouring 1.5 teaspoon of cooking oil. One can use ghee also on the sides of the batter or in the middle also, and you can see some bubbles have come out. So the dosha is now getting ready, and this bubble shows you that it is also getting heated.
I need an intervention, divine intervention.
I flip it upside down.
Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully.
Here again, I put some 1.5 teaspoon of cooking oil and allow it to be cooked.
Deep within, something new lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me.
So now the dosha is ready, and you can see it. The crispy dosa is now getting ready to be served. Now the second dosa is being prepared.
I need a nice vacation, pure introspection.
Now the second dosa is to be prepared, and I am doing the same process again. So the batter what I have prepared, one can have 6 to 7 dosas for breakfast or for snacks.
That's just around the corner. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for you. Compromise, compromise, improvise, improvise,
And the dosa is almost ready. Hope you like this recipe. So subscribe to my channel.